Hi friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create your very own fur brush in Procreate. But before we begin, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post new content. So let's begin. Create a square canvas in Procreate. The canvas size that I am using is shown in the screen right now. Now on the layer menu, go to the background color. Double tap on this area to select the color black. For our brush color, we are going to double tap on the area near the color white to select the color white. Then tap the brush icon. Here are the brushes that we have already created, and if you want to create it too, the playlist is in the description box below. So let's continue. Go to the inking library and select the technical pen, then tap on it to open its settings. Let's adjust the streamline to maximum. I'm going to adjust my brush size to 30% and then draw these tapered lines. Although the technical pen is tapered already, I am still flicking my pencil to get a more pronounced taper. My longest line is the center one, and as I approach the sides, my lines get shorter and shorter. You can also tap with 2 fingers to undo. Once you are satisfied with the amounts of lines that you have, let's clean up the common point by using the eraser tool in Soft Brush. The Soft Brush is in the Airbrush library. And let's clean that bottom part. Tap the arrow icon if you want to resize and rotate your element. You can also reposition it if you want. Then on the layer menu, tap on the layer thumbnail and select copy. Now we are ready to create the brush. So on the brush library, tap the plus icon to create a new brush. Select the shape option and let's change the shape source. Tap edit, then import, then paste. Then tap done. For the shape behavior, let's adjust the rotation to maximum. On the stroke path menu, you can adjust the spacing, and I adjusted mine to 35%. We won't be changing the other settings, so let's go to the About section of the brush. You can add your name and signature here, and you can also rename this brush. I am renaming mine to Soft Fur Brush. Once that is done, tap Done. You can create a new layer and hide the previous layer so we can test whether the brush is working the way we want it to be. As you can see here, it is not looking like a fur. The lines should be outward. To solve that, let's duplicate our shape source layer and tap the arrow icon. Let's rotate our element using the Rotate 45 degrees option. Rotate the element until it is laying horizontally. And as what we did before, tap the thumbnail of the layer in the layer menu and select copy. Then on the brush setting under shape source, let's edit it, select import, and then paste. And then tap done. Now let's try the brush again on a new layer. And there you go, it is already working the way we wanted it to be. But make sure that when you draw, it should be in the clockwise direction so that the lines are coming outward instead of inward. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also check the other Procreate brush tutorials on my channel or check these other videos out. Until next time, bye!